Let's look at this one right here, computer forensics analysis. This is leading us down a rabbit hole of all the security keywords that we need for this particular career path. Now, I'm going to go ahead. I'm on monster.com, by the way, and now I'm searching for this career path. Now, where do we get the keywords? Once these jobs come up, I'll show you. Another thing to note is the salaries. Now, if you didn't know, this salary is for information security analyst, and they don't always, so the name, you notice the names, none of these are saying forensics. That's because that's how this works. Like whether you're doing cryptography, whether you're doing whatever, it doesn't always have the exact name of the title of the role, the work role that you want. And that's why it's very important for you to do the research on your own to figure out what is in this career path. Okay, what are the keywords? You can see a pattern already. Information security analyst, information security analyst, cyber intrusion detection analyst. These are all analysts, right? Let's look at this one, cyber forensics analyst. So all of these jobs have analyst work in them. Okay, that's why it's all these are coming up. The keywords are going to be in the responsibilities, the requirements, and the skills, and sometimes they'll have certifications. Just off of this right here, we can get the DNA that's associated with this particular job role, right? Just off of this one thing right here, we can pull a lot of different gold out of this right here.